This is Ahmed, an ordinary young man living an ordinary life, but with a big dream inside him. Every time he opens Instagram, he sees people his age, or even younger, driving luxury cars, traveling the world, and living a life anyone would wish for. One day, Ahmed paused and asked himself a simple question. A question that changed everything. Is it possible for me to become like them? The truth is, yes, it is possible. But not through luck, through a smart path. That path is called freelancing. Freelancing means working online, offering services to people, and earning money from your skills. You can work from home, from your phone, or from anywhere. But let's be clear from the beginning. Freelancing is not a magical shortcut to instant wealth. It's a journey that requires patience, commitment, and continuous self-improvement. The first step Ahmed, or anyone who wants to start, must take is choosing a skill. Not just any skill, but one that is in demand in the market. For example, programming, web development, graphic design, video editing, translation, or content writing. Now you might ask, where can I learn these skills? The answer is simple: YouTube. Hundreds of free lessons, from beginner to advanced. All you need is a phone, an internet connection, and most importantly, the willingness to learn. At the beginning, it will be difficult. You won't understand everything, and you might feel bored or even think about quitting. And that's completely normal. But the difference between those who succeed and those who fail is persistence. Successful people keep going despite the difficulties. Others stop at the first obstacle. After Ahmed learns his skill, the next step is practice. He can sign up on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. At first, he won't earn much. But that's not the point. The goal is to build a reputation. He can even start by offering simple services to friends or at low prices just to get reviews. These reviews are the key to success in freelancing. Each positive review builds trust and brings more clients. With time, Ahmed improves his skills, delivers better quality work, and gradually increases his prices. That's when the real transformation begins. From someone looking for opportunities to someone clients are looking for. But let me tell you something important. On this journey, you will face moments of doubt. You will feel like you're not progressing. You will see others succeed before you. Do not compare yourself to anyone. Everyone has their own timeline. Focus on yourself and your goal. If you stay consistent, keep learning, and remain patient, you can change your life in just a few months. It's not impossible, but it requires a decision to start, and a decision to never give up. Maybe you are in the same place Ahmed once was, watching this video and wondering, should I start or not? The answer is in your hands. But remember, every successful person today was once a beginner. And in the end, if you want to change your life, don't wait for opportunities, create them.